I'm okay and she's fine too. How is work? Oh, it's okay, I can't complain. How is your school these days? It's going well and it's fun. That's good to hear, I'm glad to hear that. How's Mary? Oh, she's doing well. How about Joe? How is everything at work? He's okay but busy these days. How's your tea? Well, it's too strong. How's your coffee? How's your business going? You know it's hard, I'm tired. Well, that's too bad, I'm sorry to hear that. How's your family in New York? They're doing great. How are you this morning? Oh, I'm feeling great, thanks. How was your trip to Europe? It was amazing. How was London in spring? It was warm and beautiful. How are